kota waligala onne fibuko kota waligala ilmanarato kota waligala. Most of the people are making a film like a Prison Break or Prison Sheet or Prison whatever. It is not more than my life.
Young people resist the laws of the land, so they protest against the government, and the government imprisons them, tortures them, and kills them.
We all cry during the night. I cry all the night. Just
you are on your way. The blue swell is taking you. All you know is washed away, no matter where it leads to. Take a deep breath, sink the unknown, deepest desperate, feel the world grow. Take a
which we live is not life. Which we cross is not life. You know, I have to be voice for voiceless people of my country. They don't have voice, they don't have chance to talk as me.